guys, this is Miss Hina Imran and today we are going to do something very exciting. Today we are going to make square bubbles. In fact, we are going to make two shapes. One is a cube and the other one is a tetrahedron. Do you know another name for tetrahedron? It's called a pyramid. So stick around to see how it's done. Alright, the things that are required are just the straws and the pipe cleaners. That's about it. You need to cut your straws into half and then again half. So you have 4 straws from one straw. Let's make a pyramid. I'm going to insert one straw and bend this side a little bit so it doesn't get out. I'm going to be needing 3 straws. How many sides in a triangle? 3. Yes, that's why we are taking 3 straws. Now I'm going to twist this shorter end firmly so that we have a secure shape. I'll be needing another pipe cleaner, so I'm going to twist the older one with the new one like this, and I have a longer pipe cleaner now. I need 2 more straws and now I'm going to bend it and we'll make this end go through this straw so that it comes out from the other end. And now we nearly have the pyramid ready. I only need 1 more straw and now I'm going to make this pipe cleaner go through like this, and I'm going to twist it so that I have a firm shape. Yay! We have the pyramid ready. Alright, for this experiment, you need a pointed stick which has a very pointed end, and you need a balloon. The balloon should not be blown all the way. It should have less tension over here. Alright, less tension. And you need to have a dishwashing liquid, and I'll tell you what to do with it. You just pour 1 drop and then cover your stick like this. Now I am going to insert this stick and pass it from this section and take it out from the other end. Let's see. Let's see. I pierced it. It did not pop! Oh my god! And now, can you see this dark spot? That's where I need to take it out. Alright? It did not pop! It went through! Why did this happen? Well, can you see there's less tension over here? And all the other side are very stretched. So when you insert any pin inside where there is less tension, less stretching, then you won't be able to pop the balloon. Alright, in this experiment, I'm going to show you how to grow crystals. And for that, you need to have a pipe wire, a wide mouth jar, boric powder. This is the powder that you usually use in carom board to play and make it go slippery. And you need piece of strings. And you need to have boiling water. For that, you need to have your parent supervision. So I will cut the pipe wire like this. I'm going to fold it again, and now I have 4 pieces. Now I will just twist it a little bit and then make it go like it's a star. Now I need to see if this can go easily inside this jar. Can it go easily? I can cut a little bit more. So now I need to tie a string around it so that it can hang easily. It should not touch the floor, all right? So I guess this is okay. So this way it's going to hang, and I'm going to put the water and the borax powder inside like this, all right? I have taken 3 cups of water and I'm going to pour it inside. Now I'm going to put 12 tablespoons of boric acid. I'm going to put 12 tablespoons of boric acid. I will also add some food color. Now let's stir it. And we need to dissolve it, all of it. See, now the water is dissolved and I am going to put the crystal inside. See, it's not touching. And now I need to put this jar aside overnight, and let's see in the morning what happens. All right, now it's been overnight and let's check out if we got our crystals made. Oh my God, look. Yes. We have our crystal and it's a star shape. Cool, right?